Welcome to the homestead, guys.
So we have been struggling with content creation here lately, and it's purely because Mom doesn't have enough time. But last weekend we made strawberry jam, my little helper and I, and we saved the strawberry tops to make infused vinegar. So let's see what it looks like. Just have a strainer and a plug for my favorite Pampered Chef mixing bowl. And we're going to put it in. Now this one is the white vinegar. I don't even know. I don't usually use white vinegar. It's white wine vinegar, maybe. I always use apple cider vinegar, so we're gonna compare what these look like next to each other. So, what do you think? What color is it?
Red.
It's red. Look how pretty! That's been infused for, it was just a little over a week. It was like a week and a day. Just gonna pour that. Isn't that beautiful? I think that's so pretty.
Let's do another one.
Okay. All right. Now we're going to try the apple cider vinegar. We've got our strainer, our pitcher. Oof. By the way, the sour flies love it when you do stuff like this in your kitchen. Ooh. I would say that's a little bit darker, but not surprising because apple cider vinegar is a little darker to begin with. Now if you can really even see just how lovely that is. So there you go. Don't waste your strawberry hulls when you make your jam or you have your strawberry shortcake or whatever you're having. Save them to infuse your vinegars because you can have that for salad dressing or to use in cooking all year round. It doesn't go bad, I swear.
Can't see us again, y'all.
Bye.